Hello everyone, named Jalise. Welcome to my NOS4A2 Season 1 Blu-ray unboxing. This is the front cover, NOS4A2. Take a good look. And yes, this show is made by Joe Hill. The same guy who is Joe Hill is the son of none other than Stephen King. This is the back. Pause the video anytime you want. Special features. This is a great show, by the way. One of the best shows you are not seeing. Inside right here is the same old stuff. It's the same old stuff as the back, so it's nothing different. That was episode guide, it's not. Disc 1, same as the front cover. Disc 2, and disc 3. Take this baby out. But I will open this baby up right here. And for the inside, you got this nice artwork, which is in the DVD selection. And the last bit we're going to show you is this thing from the writer Joe Hill. Pause the video anytime you want. So everybody, that is NOS4A2 Season 1 Blu-ray unboxing. Let me know what y'all think, everyone. My name's Elise, and I offered everybody. Bye.